Wait, are we allowed to go?
Streets. I don't know what else to do. Alleys, just kidding, that's all. Yes. Yes. Streets.
You're the wrong way. You're the wrong way.
You gotta get this way, man.
Cheater!
Cheater! She got you. Okay. All right, you got the idea. Now, there's one thing that she did that you can't do. You can't break arms.
Be sure you stay in the same direction, Sam.
If you're on the street, then you gotta go alley.
It was like right,
It's an alley through that one.
All right, are you ready? Okay. Jake.
Yeah.
Chelsea. Who's going to be chasing? Me.
Last time we did winter state.
Caleb.
I gotta chase him now?
No. I want to chase Cheyenne. Where are you? Cheyenne. Cheyenne.
I want to chase him.
He's after you now. I'll never catch him. He's after you.
Well, you get a head start.
You go clear back there, and then I'll start. Okay? Everybody, streets.
This is a cheater.
Okay, go.
You just stay away from Jay.
Allie.
Go, go!
What? I thought there was no way.
Run.
Allie. Jake,
Go, go!
Oh my gosh, it's cold outside.
Straight. Go. Allie.
Go, go, get him!
Straight.
One down. You are shooting so bad.
Allie. Straight.
Okay, I got it.
Like how that cow.
David, you're dead. You're never going to catch him.
On the show.
Okay, let's start with Allie's this time. Allie. Ready? Set. Go. Streets. Allie.
Oh, you can't get him, Dave. Dave can't get him.
Streets.
Oh. Dave,